Okay, how to check the US unemployment growth rate online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Couple different websites here. We have macrotrends.net, one of my personal favorites because, well, you can check the US national unemployment rates, and it even says that this dates back all the way to 1948. And you can scroll down, we have a historical chart from 5 years, 20 years, or all of the years dating all the way back until 1948. And again, this is the unemployment rate. It goes up and goes down. You have different related charts. As you can see, we have different unemployment rates by race, by education, degree, or things like that nature. The next website is stockscan.io. As you can see here, the US unemployment rate from 1948 to currently, from 2 years ago, 25 years ago, or all. And again, there's an overview and historical data of this, and it ranks back all the way up until 1973 in terms of percentages completely